So, I just taught my dog Connor this behavior today. It took about 10 minutes. It's a really easy one. So, yeah. Connor, touch. Good boy. Basically a target. And I'm using veggies because he eats raw meat, and veggies are important for the diet, so I use veggies for training. Target. Good. I mean, touch. Oh well. So basically the behavior is just him touching my hand. Target. Good boy. Touch. Good boy. Then we went on. Connor. Target. Good boy. Touch. Good boy. This is really nice and easy for touch. Good boy. When you want them off something or to go somewhere else, it's a really fun one. Target. Good boy. You used your tongue on that one, didn't you, boy? Okay, Connor, touch. Good boy. Now, Connor, down. Down. Good boy. There you go. Okay. That's good boy. Good boy. Touch. Good boy. It took him a little bit to get him to do it umpires. Touch. Good boy. And now he's doing it very well, like he just demonstrated. Yes. So over here. Touch. Touch. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.